Hi everyone! I'm Lizzie and welcome back to Mama Liz's Kitchen. For those who are new in my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Today we will be making a homemade salsa. It is healthy, easy to make, and has so much flavor. It is perfect toppings to our favorite Mexican food like tacos, burritos, and quesadillas. Let's start! Ingredients are listed in the description box below. Add all the ingredients in the food processor. Pulse 4 to 6 times until you get your desired consistency. Transfer to a bowl and refrigerate for 1 hour before serving. Enjoy!